This is Charlene. Today we are unboxing Dolly Parton's baking collection by Duncan Hines. Not sponsored, but it's open for discussion. Call me Dolly. I can't wait to see this video. Now let's see what's in the box. Spatula. Coconut cake. A banana cake. Creamy buttercream. Cream chocolate.
Hey, that's pretty good.
And a towel. If you are what you eat, then why not be sweet? And here is the recipe for the coconut cake. It's the recipe for the banana pudding cake. And a special note from Dolly.
I go down to Apple Jacks just almost every day.
Thank you so much for joining me opening this wonderful box by Dolly. I was able to grab it online the day it was released. It's showing sold out on Duncan Hines, but keep checking back. But the good news is the cake mix will be available at your local grocery store very, very soon. Make sure you subscribe. We're going to be baking these. That will let you know when I upload. This is Charlene. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a great, great evening.